Okay, this is a very, very big decision. Blue or yellow? I like blue.
I like yellow.
No, I like blue. No, we're getting blue. Too bad. I like blue. Blue.
Yellow. We're doing the yellow.
No, we're doing blue. But the blue. Blue, blue. Help me carry it. Carry it, Malachi. You're the one who's supposed to be carrying it. Okay, fine.
Yeah, I don't want no blue floaty. I ain't want no whipped cream.
Help me.
Why? What did I do? I carried it last time.
Apparently, all the other ones are the yellow one. I don't know which one's the falcon or whatever he said. No, you're getting the yellow one. You're the one who wanted the yellow one.
Yellow one.
Yeah, because he said we had to. I did it. Get on the other side. Ooh. You're gonna break it, bro. Just carry it like a normal person. What the heck? Let's go. Now we're gonna go on this blue one.